What's up, YouTube? Pokeball back again with another video. And today we're going swimming. It's gonna be awesome. So come along with me. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we just arrived at the place and I'm just entering. So here's a look around. Okay, guys, so just got myself a seat under this shade thingy, this hub looking thingy. Just waiting to go and swim. Okay, guys. In the meantime, I'm also testing out the Awuchuan Smart XC gimbal. This is the body tracking thingy that I'm testing. As you can see, the pool in the background. And I'm also recording the sound with my Holyland Lark 2. Yeah, so I'm going to the changing room to go and change and come and swim. So let's go. Okay, guys, so this is a quick look of the changing room. Not too big, not too small. Yeah, let's go and swim. Guys, swimming is hard. I've been trying to swim for hours now. Little progress. Just came out to, grab a bite to eat. A little snack, to give me energy to, swim. My God, guys, it was fun. I learned a few tricks, and now I'm headed back to the changing room to change because they closed. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So I just finished changing and we're heading back home. I had a great time today. I didn't know swimming was this good, man. I'm gonna visit here more often. So, let's go home, I guess. Okay, guys, so we just arrived home and I had a blast today. And also, all the footage in this vlog was recorded with the Aochuan Smart XC gimbal. So let me know how the footage looks down in the comments below. And all the sound was recorded with the Holyland Lark M2 microphone. So let me know how it sounds. Anyways, that will be the end of today's vlog, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.